And take two. Chalo.
Good morning. Today we are here to demonstrate the elephant toothpaste experiment. For this, we need three solutions: potassium chromate, potassium dichromate, and potassium permanganate. We also need a bit of detergent and a solution of H2O2. So we begin with the first one, potassium chromate. We have Akshay to demonstrate this experiment.
Wait.
First, we have to add potassium chromate into the detergent, which we have kept in a conical flask. The detergent is dissolved into the potassium chromate solution. Similarly, potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate are added into the respective detergent flasks and are dissolved. Now, at the end, we have to add H2O2 into the conical flask. This gives us an eruption of the elephant toothpaste.
Whoa. The evaporation of what? Oh,
Nascent oxygen.
nascent oxygen.
Oh, put it there. Put it there. Put it there inside. Put it there. Go and wash your hands. Please go and wash your hands. Go and wash your hands fast. don't add it in your hand. Holding in hand and don't do it like that. Okay. Akash is scared, a bit scared. Okay, move away. Away, I said. Is it coming?
Yes. Whoa. Oh.
It means in place of potassium iodide, if we use potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate and potassium chromate, we can make this thing. That is what it is?
Elephant toothpaste.
How we have made, class? Tell me how we have made it.
Through potassium dichromate.
Yes, Akash, please come and elaborate how you have done this. Come fast.
We have started with detergent and potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate, potassium
Chromate.
and then we'll add the H2O2 and then it will start exploding.
Okay, what is the reaction taking place in this? Gauri, can you please explain which reaction is taking place?
Yes, we had taken detergent first, in which we had added the solution of, for example, potassium chromate. And then when we added these both, it made a solution. On adding H2O2 into this, there was an evolution of nascent oxygen, because of which all this foam came out. That is
Okay, so what is the use of potassium dichromate or potassium iodide or potassium chromate in this, Manjot? Can you please tell me?
In the form of catalyst, we have used H2O2.
In the form of catalyst, you have used potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate,
And potassium,
chromate. In place of this, you can even use
potassium iodide.
exactly. So let's have a look. What is coming? Its steam is still coming outside. Can you feel, class?
Yes, miss.
Okay, don't touch it.
Foam is hot.
And it's really harmful.
Yes.
It's harmful. It contains hydrogen peroxide in it. Yes. Yes, Saksham, can you please explain something?
if you want to distinguish between the three colors, that is potassium chromate, dichromate, and potassium permanganate. Here we have potassium chromate as orange, potassium dichromate as purple, and thirdly we have potassium permanganate as yellow. So if you want to distinguish between the three, you need to have a check on the colors. And then for doing the experiment, you need to take 3 alternative forms of these things.
Okay, class. This is class.
11. At last, we have to
Thank the
to our
viewers.
teachers.
Sisters and the school. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay.